Welcome to Inwood Academy Middle School. My name is Bianca Mercedes and I'm the middle school principal. This is where the Inwood Academy family really meets. It's where our parents come to drop off their students at 7 in the morning and where they're received by their teachers to get their day started. And it's where their parents come and pick them up at the end of the day so that they can go home, get the rest they need, and come back and do it all again. So we've now made it to the first floor, and we're specifically in the art room, and this is where all the creative juices flow. It's where the students get to release their artistic expressions. But also on this floor, we have our school cafeteria, and breakfast and lunch take place in there. We have a lot of our classrooms where we provide academic intervention to students who benefit from that. And I can't forget to mention the heartbeat of our school, our gymnasium. This is where we have our all-school assemblies, where students get back-to-back PE classes. It's where we get to host a lot of our family events, a lot of our community events. It's where the IAL family really meets. We are so lucky at our school to offer such a range of athletic opportunities for our students and to offer such a variety of sports, including basketball, baseball, volleyball, flag football, and the list goes on and on. It's a great opportunity for our students to become real trailblazers, where they learn and develop their athletic abilities, but also good sportsmanship, so they could be the leaders and they model that everywhere they go. As a school that really cares about ensuring that our students are college and career ready, have an impact on their community, we also really care about their character. And that's why we teach them about being rich in character. And that's an acronym that stands for our core values: responsibility, restraint, integrity, caring, and honesty. We want our students to learn these core values at our school and then take them with them as they grow into their future. We know that with strong academics and with great character, our students will have a giant impact on their community. And not just their community, but the world. Here at Inwood Academy, we have a 50% ENL preference, which means if you are an English language learner, we want you at our school. And the reason for that is because we want to provide you with the supports we need from our ENL specialists as they serve to help you develop your understanding of English while also learning all your major core contents. And if you look into the windows of any classroom, you'll notice that there are 2 teachers in every classroom. And the reason for that is because we want to offer integrated collaborative teaching in every room. That means that it's made up of 2 teachers to ensure that all of our students' needs are being met. Our school ranges from 5th through 8th grade. And when our students arrive at our school, they receive a uniform from us, we give them backpacks, and some of them carry around string book bags with the IAL logo, ensuring that they know that they're part of this community. But right now, we've made it to the 3rd floor, and this floor houses our 7th and 8th graders. We are so grateful that the work that happens on this floor is ensuring their high school preparedness. And so we offer Regents classes, tons of electives, including performing arts, where they get to perform in an amazing musical at the end of the school year. We offer Algebra 1 Regents for our students. And we've partnered with our alumni to offer a student council for our students, and some of these students in here have already applied. We offer health and foreign language. Our students learn Spanish at our school. In addition to the great partnership we have with Play Study Win, our enrichment program. In this enrichment program, we get to take electives to a whole new level. They offer debate and art and plenty of activities that are available not just to our students, but also our families. We are grateful to work in such a community where we want to make sure that we've done everything to impact our students for their future success. You guys are amazing. And that is why we show up to do this work every day. It's for you, it's always for you.